Hi friends and family. We are gonna go hang out at PF Chang's, and I have my driver here again. Here he is. And
you need butt wipes.
We're taking butt wipes. And we have Gigi with us.
You need butt wipes because you got the spicy sauce in your butt.
Wow, that's inappropriate. So yeah, we will have you join us. Whoops, gotta learn the camera angle now. So we will have you join us at the table.
Drinking sake. First time drinking sake.
Sake to me, mama.
Sake to you.
So, Elijah, how does it feel to be 17 again?
Woohoo, 17.
Like the movie. Okay, for the first time.
In the first time forever.
Listen to this upbeat tempo in
Mucho lacas.
where are we?
Mucho
PF
lacas.
Chang's. Mucho lacas? I don't know what that even means.
The mucho laca.
Oh, it's like a hot shot. I don't like it. Ooh. So we only have one more year of our 18-year contract. So Elijah, do you remember when Elijah would always talk about, oh, I'm 15, there's still 3 more years of my contract, blah, blah, blah. So now, what'd you tell me? You want to renegotiate? He wants to renegotiate. He wants to renegotiate. Should I renegotiate? What would the renegotiations be?
The master shifu like this. You see those flames over there? I could blow them out with one breath.
In this family, we don't do sushi, so Elijah's being all fancy.
Oh yeah, it's my birthday, isn't it?
It is your
Those
birthday.
onions.
Birthday. You say it's your birthday. Happy birthday to ya.
These were tuna?
Spicy
Oh,
tuna.
spicy
Ice
tuna.
tuna.
And he's being all fancy with the,
Fam shmi.
And Grandma's gonna snag one.
let's see.
Go ahead.
No, go ahead. You eat first because it's yours.
Alright.
There he
Hesitant.
goes.
He's
Oh my
hesitant. He's
goodness.
hesitant.
Use your fork. Just pick it up with your fork.
That's fine.
It's easier.
I gotta get good with these.
Today, son.
I'm good with them.
Alright.
There you go.
I kid. I'm not gonna get you eating it. I won't be that. It's good. Let's see what Grandma gonna do.
Excuse me. Yeah, I know. I gotta get used to these too.
You guys are rookies.
We
Yeah,
are.
I am a rookie.
I could just.
Don't pick it up
do
unless
that.
you're gonna
I
eat it.
am a
Are you
rookie.
gonna eat one?
No.
It's
You
falling
don't like-
apart, so.
I mean, I like it, but I don't want it right now.
You do like it?
Yeah, I've had them.
Oh.
Yeah, you had one before.
Yeah,
Well, am I
I've had
like the only one who's anti-sushi?
No, you have to put it all in your mouth at once.
Yep. Oh.
Yeah, because
So you
it's
have to have
just
a
a
big
bite.
mouth,
Yeah,
or what?
it's a bite.
General rest should be on the way and out shortly for you.
Okay, so what? I gotta
So you
put
got
it in your mouth.
the way I ate it. The way you just
Just like eat it whole. Just.
yeah.
Okay. A hole?
Yep. That's the smallest one.
Yeah, and just dip it all in there. Not a lot.
There you go.
Yeah, I know. I had that same
You
feeling.
don't like it?
Same feeling.
No, it's not it.
You swallow it and
turn
it's
it off
good.
if
It's good aftertaste. It's good.
Yeah, she don't like
It
it.
tastes like, I'm telling you, it tastes like the way lake water smells. Like, why do you want to eat lake water?
Because you just, I don't know,
Does.
you
It's
didn't.
good.
It actually does taste like that.
I I can't finish it.
The first couple bites are hard, but like then it's good.
Okay, so sushi is a no-go for me still to this day.
Anything you want to add?
I'll
Anything
eat
you want to
it.
add, Marcos?
No.
Thanks for letting me try.
Yummy.
Delicious.
Delicious. Delicious. Yummy.
Yum. Muy bueno. This is our outro by Marcos. Do your dance. Do that dance you were doing.
I can't do that.
Well, I couldn't get it. The pole was in the way.
Yeah. That's what I was going for.
Were you?